everyone, today I'm going to be making butternut squash soup. But first things you do before you eat your fruit or cut it, you have to wash it. But my fruit, butternut squash, is already washed, so I'm going to start seeding it. Yeah, let's seed this thing. Oh yeah. Now let's get this spoon and put the seeds into this bowl. Oh, yes. Oh yeah. It's looking good. Now we're going to season it up with vegetable oil, jerk marinade, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and thyme. Now season stop. Yeah. Can you see this? It's looking so good. Now season this thing up. Yeah. Can you see all of this? It will taste more nice with all of this seasoning on here. Because I just like spice. That's why I use jerk marinade. Yeah. Now, let's add some crushed garlic. Yeah. Now I'm going to roast this in the oven for 45 minutes. See you after it's roasting. Now the butternut squash has finished roasting. We're going to cut it up, peel out the outside, and put it in the food processor, and then put it on high speed and add some coconut milk. Let's cut this up. Yeah. Let's peel out this outside. It's looking good and it's soft as well. So when it's soft, it's properly cooked. Let's peel this off. Now, let's add some coconut milk. Let's put this lid on. Push this down. Let's put it on high speed. My butternut squash is finished blending. I'm going to pour it into this bowl, ready to eat. Now, let's add some fried bread that I made and a bit of parsley. And then that's it done.